All right, let's see examples of leading term and in the behavior. The first one, for example, you know, to answer is find the leading term of the polynomial. The second one is the limit as x approaches positive infinity. And C, this one, let's see. Third question is common, which is the limit as x approaches negative infinity. Now, in order to answer this one, remember that you have to write this polynomial in descending order. Minus 5 x to the fifth plus 4 x to the fourth plus 14. This is descending order. Now, you can answer the first one, leading term is negative 5x to the fifth, because leading term is the highest degree term. Then the second one, you know, now when you look at this one, in order to answer this one, look at the leading term. It is degree is odd, and coefficient is negative 5, which is negative. Now, like I said in my previous, so the behavior of this graph looks like this one, right? Now, in order to answer the first one, as x approaches positive infinity, now you can answer that f of x approaches negative infinity, or for this one we use the polynomial p of x. Let's say p of x, and C, you know, as x goes to negative infinity, you can look at the behavior goes to positive infinity. You see now, you know, comparing with the template is easier to answer this question. Let's go to this one. Again, we need to write this one in descending order as well. Let's write in descending order. Minus 3x to the 6th plus 9x to the 4th plus 8x. Now, leading term of this polynomial is minus 3x to the 6th. And remember, this is even degree and negative coefficient. Now, B, as x approaches positive infinity, this function p of x goes down, negative infinity. C, as x goes to negative infinity, p of x also goes to negative infinity. So in order to compare, you have to use this graph, which is, you know, y is equal to, or f of x is equal to minus x squared. It is even the leading coefficient is negative, so it is comparable with f of x is equal to minus x squared. Now let's see this one. Again, you have to write this one in descending order. X to the 7th minus 7, x to the 6th plus 5x. Now, leading term of this polynomial, leading term is x to the 7. Look at this one, odd degree and positive coefficient, right? Because it is 1 is a positive coefficient. The second one, now as x goes to positive infinity, you know, this p of x also goes to positive infinity. Now you can compare this one with this. F of x is x cubed graph. And C, as x goes to negative infinity, p of x goes to negative infinity. So if you look at the template graphs, you know, and if you understand the behavior of each template, then you can answer any degree polynomial in the behavior based on those templates.